Hi guys, hope you're enjoying your day. Now let's go see the chickens, and they're right here. Let's say hello. Hello. You're right then. Here. Hi, beautiful. You right then? Oh, bless them. Thank you for the eggie today, girls. Oh, you're very chatty, Steve. It's a seagull, Olivia. Hello. It's alright, Kia. He's not going to get you. Their favourite place, the long grass. You like the long grass, do you? Are you about to eat that then? Oh, he's spotted something. Hello, Olivia. You good girls. You've had your snacks today already, and I've put your house together. Well, put all the bits away, haven't I? It's alright, Steve. Feather. Daddy must be here. You right, girls? It's alright, girls. It's alright, Steve. What is it? Is it a seagull? It's alright. It's alright, girls. It's okay, babies. It's alright. They're doing ridiculous screaming now. Terrible watching the seagull. They're not gonna eat you, only if they're babies. Hey, sweetheart. Oh, you can see Mummy, can't you? Or Daddy. The daddy of that seagull. Oh. What are you not doing over there? What is it? Abby, she's just staring. It's alright, girls. He's not going to come down when I'm here. Right, girls. You're just staring at them. You're having a staring contest with those seagulls. You love being out, don't you? Hi guys, I hope you like that video. Please like and subscribe down the bottom of the video, and see you next time. And share it as well. And a goodbye.